check if it is safe. Check consciousness by gently shaking the shoulders and speaking to the victim. If the victim does not respond, call 112 immediately. Then place one hand on the victim's forehead and tilt their head back. Open the airway by placing 2 fingertips under the tip of the chin and lifting it up. Look, listen, and feel for normal breathing for up to 10 seconds. If the victim is not breathing normally, start with chest compressions. After 30 chest compressions, give 2 breaths. Connect the AED as soon as it's available, but interrupt chest compressions and rescue breathing as little as possible.
Apply pads to bare chest. Press pads firmly.
Pinch the victim's nose closed with the thumb and index finger of the hand resting on the forehead. Place your lips tightly around the victim's mouth and blow for 1 second until the chest rises. Give a total of 2 breaths.
Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient. Shock advised. The AED is charging. Press the flashing button to deliver a shock. Shock delivered. Start CPR.
Place the heel of one hand on the center of the chest. Place the heel of the other hand on top of the first and hook the fingers of both hands together. Position yourself with your arms stretched out perpendicular above your chest. Press the chest 5 to 6 centimeters at a rate of 100 to 120 per minute. Continue alternating between 30 chest compressions and 2 breaths. Take turns every 2 minutes.